Hello students, good morning everyone. So, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and you are completing every day your homework as well as you are attending your Zoom meetings. Okay students, now can you see this picture on the screen? Yes, here is the Rajiv and Rajiv has to start his own business, but he is worried about the business because he doesn't have money to start his own business, and he is worried that what to do and from whom I will borrow money and how to start my own business. Then suddenly he got an idea that he went to the bank. She talked with the bankers, means the bank officers, and bankers decided to give him money. But bank told him that he has to pay extra money after certain period of time, because as he is borrowing money from a bank for a specific period of a time, and at the end of this period he has to pay back the money which he had borrowed plus some additional money for using the bank's money. Then Raju get ready with this condition. He took money from the bank and start his own business. In above transaction, Rajiv is going to pay extra money to the bank. That extra money is called interest. Now, the interest is calculated on rupees 100 for year, is known as the bank percent per annum. With this introduction, you might be have got an idea that which topic I am going to teach you. Students, yes? You have got an idea? Yes, that is lesson number 12, simple interest. In this connection, we use the following terms. These are first, principal. What is mean by principal? The money borrowed is called the principal or the sum. Next is interest. The additional money paid by the borrower is called the interest. So third one is amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Fourth one is rate. The interest on rupees 100 for 1 year is known as the rate percent per annum. Now, simple interest. What is mean by simple interest? If interest is calculated uniformly on the original principal throughout the loan period, it is called simple interest. Now formula. Let principal is equal to rupees P, means principal is denoted with the letter P, rate is denoted with the capital R, percentage means per annum, and the time is equal to years. Here are the formulas, that is simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. This formula, when we are going to use this formula, if we have to calculate the simple interest. Okay, now if we have to calculate the amount, then formula is A is equal to P plus SI. P means principal and SI means the simple interest. And now we are going to start exercise number 12A. Question number 1. Find the simple interest and the amount when principal is equal to rupees 6,400, rate is equal to 6% per annum, and time is equal to 2 years. Okay, so here we have to find out the simple interest and amount. So principal is 6,400. So what is the formula of simple interest? Simple interest is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time upon 100. So principal is rupees 6,400, rate is 6% and time is 2 years is the time upon 100. So these two zeros are cancelled with these two zero. So we'll get 64 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2. 64 6 2s are 12. So we are going to multiply 64 multiplied by 12. So rupees 768 is our simple interest. Now I am going to calculate amount. In this question we have to find out simple interest as well as the amount. So write the formula of amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. As we already find out the simple interest. So principal is 6400 plus our interest is 768. So after adding these two numbers we'll get 7168. So amount is rupees 7168. Number 2. Principal is equal to rupees 2650. Rate is equal to 8% per annum and time is equal to 2 whole 1/2 years. Okay, now I am going to convert this into the mixed fraction. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5/2 years. So find out the simple interest. Write the formula of simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by time upon 100. P is equal to 2650 means principal. Rate 8% is the rate of interest and time is 5/2 is the time and 100. Now this 10 is cancelled with this 10. Now I am going to 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So again I am going to reduce this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 265 multiplied by 2. So we'll get 530 is the simple interest. So now I am going to calculate amount. Principal plus interest. Principal is 2650 is the principal and interest is simple interest is 530. So we'll get rupees 3180 is our amount. This is our amount and this is a simple interest, means rupees 530 is the simple interest. Number 3, principal is rupees 1500. Rate of interest is 12% per annum and time is 3 years 3 months. So first of all I am going to convert this. This is 3 whole means 3 years 3 months, and how many months are in the year? That is 12. So 12 3s are 36, 36 plus 3 39 and 12 as it is 39/12. So again 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 13/4. So simple interest is equal to P R T upon 100. So principal is 1500 multiplied by rate of interest is 12 and time is 13/4 is the time. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. These two zeros are cancelled with this 20. Again 15 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. 15 3s are 45 multiplied by 13. So we'll get rupees 685 5 is a simple interest. Now I am going to calculate amount. Amount is equal to principal multiplied plus interest. So principal is 1500 and simple interest is 685. So 5866 plus 5 is equal to 11 to 2185 is the amount. Principal is rupees 9600. Rate is equal to 7 whole 1/2% per annum and time is equal to 5th month. Okay, 5th month means 5th month, and how many months are in the year? 12 means 5/12 years. Okay, now I am going to convert this. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15/2. So this is a percent. So percentage में हम क्या करते हैं? Divide by 100 से करते हैं. So upon 1. This is a A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Means A multiplied by B, A upon B multiplied by D upon C. Means 15/2 multiplied by 1/1000. Means 100 2s are 200. 15 ones are 15. So this is the rate of interest. Sorry students, here I said 1000 but here is 1/100. Okay, so 100 2s are 200. 15 ones are 15 means 15/200 is the rate of interest. So now I am going to calculate simple interest. Simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. So P is principal 9600 multiplied by R means 15 to 200 and 5/12 is the time. So these two zeros are cancelled with this 2 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 16. 2 8s are 16. Again 12 ones are 12. 12 4s are 48. So we'll get 4, 15 and 5. 4 5s are 20 multiplied by 15. So rupees 300 is the simple interest. Now total amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 9600 is the principal and interest is 300. So 9900 is the amount. Question number 5. Principal is rupees 5000. Rate of interest is 9% per annum and time is 146 days. So 140 means 1 year has 365 days. So time is 146/365 years. Okay. So simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. Principal is 5000. Rate is 9% upon 100 and so multiplied by time is 146/365 days. So these two zeros are cancelled with these 2 0. Again I am going to divide this 365 by 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. So here 7 3 and here 5 10s are 15. Again 73 1s are 73. 73 2s are 146. So 10, 9 and 2. 10 nines are 90 multiplied by 2 is equal to 180. So rupees 180 is the simple interest. And amount is equal to P plus I. Payments principal, our principal is 5,000 rupees and interest is 180. So 5180 is the total amount. Rupees 5,180. Thank you, students. And now you have what you have to do. Yes, you have to complete all the sums in your maths notebook. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.